Ihahanay ng UAAP ang sistema ng collegiate basketball sa pamantayan ng FIBA sa Season 88 na sisimulan ngayong weekend. Narito report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Binigyang diin ni Commissioner Jai Reyes ang pag-aayon ng officiating at mga rules ng FIBA standards para sa UAAP Season 88 basketball. Layo nito na mas mahubog ang mga manlalaro para sa international competitions.
Everything with FIBA standards, you can see that with our referees. I'm proud to say that we are having most of the FIBA referees that represent the Philippines in international competitions. One exciting development would be we would be miking up our referees, not yet for broadcast purposes, but for assessment and grading purposes of our referees. We want our referees to be just like our players, for them to improve yearly, so we can make our product on the court the best as possible.
Kasama sa mga pagbabago ang implementasyon ng penalties at suspensions alinsunod sa international rules.
This year, we're going to make it simpler and easier. All the sportsmanlike fouls and technicals will not be counted in the accumulation, not unless we explicitly write to a formal memo to all the schools. So once we deem that a play is not a basketball play or it's harmful or it's not in the spirit of sportsmanship, that is when we are going to write for accumulation of suspension, because some of the technicals are just faking a foul or delay of games. We don't want that to affect the outcome of the season. So those that are not basketball plays with bad intent, those are the ones that we want to punish first.
Sa paghahanay ng UAAP sa pamantayan ng FIBA, inaasahang mas mapapatibay ang kompetisyon at mas mahanda ang mga atleta para sa mas mataas na antas ng basketball. Samantala, inaprubahan ng board na simula sa Season 89, maaaring magkaroon ng 2 foreign student athletes sa roster ng bawat team. Bagaman isa lamang ang maaaring maglaro sa isang laban. Magsisimula ang men's basketball tournament sa September 20 sa UST Quadricentennial Pavilion. Unang magtutunggali ang FEU Tamaraws at Ateneo Blue Eagles bago ang Adamson Soaring Falcons kontra sa DLSU Green Archers. Sa September 24 naman, sisimula ng Women's Division, tampok ang Ateneo laban sa UE at UP kontra Adamson. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.